Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's week forecast. We're going to be having holiday next week, and it might be a very long holiday. I'm not sure if we are having one on Monday, but definitely next week is going to be holiday week. I think right from Wednesday or Thursday or so. So, and that might be a very long holiday. Of course, market will be open as usual, but there's going to be a lot of low volatility, low volume. Market will consolidate, drag, and try to grab liquidity, deceive, traders. But the key also will always be on the structure that we are looking at. Now, this is DXY on the daily time frame. We are going to walk through two tests here, what we think most likely would be playing out. Now, we had seen this move from the top here, and it may appear as if we are bottom here, and that we are in a much bigger correction to the upside right now. It may look like that, as if we are, turning this to probably an A, B, and a C. But at the same time, we must not lose sight of the possibility of what we expect of this move. After having this fourth wave of wave 3 and wave 3 of 3, this could have given us major 4 and 5. Or rather, it could have been, after this fifth wave here, we could have had A, B, C, and the last wave of 5. So which is possible. So with that said, if we go through these as a 1, 2 here, then within wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. So these could just be A, B, C of 4 and 5, or that we have A, B, C, and 5. So it looks most likely that we are bottom here. So we must be, aware of that, and that the price is trying to move up, and this may most likely be the first 5 waves to the upside, and now we are trying to correct probably an A, B, C to the downside before we go up again. Now, in our attempt to go up again, if this is a bigger A and we are seeing this as a B wave, now is this B wave completed? Are we still going to have one more thrust to the downside before we really go up? That is the questions we need to answer. Now let me zoom for us to see what has played out here. This, for me, until we break this low here, we are buying. We are going bullish on the dollar until we break this low here right now. So that's what we should be looking at. Until we break this low, we are buying dollar. So this for me looks like a 5-wave structure to the upside. 1, 2. Then inside of it with 3, 3, 4, 5. That's what it has given us, the 5th wave, and we have this 3-wave decline to the downside. 1, 2, 3. Now, here is the shocker here. Here is the shocker here. In as much as this wave is 1, 2, 3 to the downside, it could be an A wave here, and that this may be a B wave, and we have one more 5 waves to the downside to give us a C wave to complete this correction before we move to the upside. So that is what is looking like, and we have to be wary of that. So in this move as a 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this as an A wave of the correction, 1, 2, 3, because you know we have 1, 2, 3, and the B wave is what I think is complex. The B of B now, A of B, a bigger A, a bigger B, but in that bigger B we have a small A and a B and a C. So the B wave now looks like we're going to have an extended flat here, which is A, B, C to the upside. And this is going up as 5 waves. So once we do that, then we are going to have, you know, an extension of probably 100% extension to downside to give us a B wave to complete A, B, C of a B wave without taking this low, and we should be seeing price making it back to the upside. Having said that, they could actually do this and do A, B, C, and that this will be going to the upside. So the answer now lies in what is going to happen immediately after this trade, after this wave here. This wave has gone up as a 5-wave structure. It's going up as a 5-wave structure. You can see 1, 2, 3. We're in the 4th wave. We are now trying to finish the 5th wave of this wave. So it's not completed yet. If we should break this top here, then this wave will be coming an elongated wave 3. So it won't be that it's a 4th wave, then to 5 to correct. But since once we are still within or below this resistance of 100 to 280 or thereabout, then we should expect that this will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then a decline. In that decline, if the decline is sharp, is very sharp, then expect it to break this low to now give us an A, B, and a C. With this low not taken. But if it's very corrective and it's not sharp, then we should now expect that these at bottom here as an A, B, C, and this is the first wave of the impulse to the upside. But it looks more likely because looking at this here, this gap has been filled now. So we need to be careful trading next week to see once we break up again, then we should correct that manner of correction. Once this will be breaking this low, will now mean we are selling. So we are selling and selling. All you can plan to do is to sell 3 waves. All you can plan to do is sell 3 waves because the movement is towards the upside. So if you sell 3 waves to the downside and you are looking at the 3rd wave to give you the 5-wave structure, and if it's going to get more bigger, then you would know it's going to break this low. So, and you prepare to sell this as A, B, C. Then, well, for now, let's sell the correction. We're looking for correction of this wave. So with that said, let me flip to 4-hour time frame. Flipping to 4-hour time frame now, so we can see that we are within a wave 1, a wave 2, and wave 3 has completed here. This looks like an ABC of a wave 4, and we are grinding up to finish the ending structure here as a 5th wave and correct. So what I think is this might just be the 1st wave, the 2nd wave, the 3rd wave is building. So we are still going to break the top before we come down. So from this low, expect your sell. If you can put your sell stop here, it's going to come. I think the price we make it up to this area of 99,800 before we see that fall. And that fall, if it's very fast, then you should be expecting that it's going to give us a bigger wave C to the downside. With that said, let's flip to euro dollar. So what we are saying is that euro dollar also has not completed its move. This has finished with 4 here, so we are still within wave 3, and probably without breaking this low, let me see. Around this area, price may still between 15,500 and 150. We might see price making it down to that side. All you can do is to, sell carefully, and you are trying to now trade your stop loss, because you can have that sharp movement to the upside any moment. But overall, we are now trying to short the euro dollar, and this might be the first wave to the downside, the first 5 waves to the downside now. And this move, if this had given us a clear 5 waves to the upside, then we would probably have thought that this would be an ABC for more upside. This, to me, give us an A and a B, and the C wave is 5. So the C wave is 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The C wave is 5. If it's going to be a 5 wave major to the upside, this would have been the 4th wave, and this would have gone up to break the top. So we can see what the price is printing for us to decode the move of, or the move. So for me, it's a B wave here. It's a B wave here. So we most likely are seeing this as the wave 1 now of the new move, 1 and a 2. Probably these will go as a 5 waves, as a 3-1, probably come up again as a 3-2. I think that most likely is going to play out. I don't see price breaking this top right now to go up and take this place. I don't see that. So we are going to watch. So all we want to do next week is for this to finish. It's still within a 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4. So the 5th wave is going to the downside, and we are going to trail it. It's not done yet. The structure has not been broken. This structure has not been broken. Though when they take internal structure like that, we have to be very careful. If it's within a consolidation, then it's not a change of character yet. This will signal a change of character. I think the price at this would correct up to 5618 or when it's ready to move to the upside. And that is what we want to do. We want to buy the correction and also sell the drop. Pound USD, also it's in a mess right now. It's in a mess. It's in a mess. We see this as the first move to the downside. Then this is a B wave, and this wave had gone down in a 3 waves. It's looking messy for now, so we are going to be cautious trading this and see what is going to get. We might be getting much more bigger correction around this area before the next wave. NZD USD. NZD USD also is not ready. This looks like we'll be getting a much more bigger correction here. This may be an A wave here, a B wave here. This went up as a 3 wave to the upside. Is not, this seems to have gone up as a 5 waves, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Then after this one, then probably we have this wave. It might be an A wave, 1, 2, 3, of a B wave, and this is coming down as a 5-wave structure. We still believe that this is not ready yet. The only thing we can do here right now, not until we take this place to the upside, we are not buying it. So this is a 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. Then this looks like the 4th major. Not until we break this, we are not buying. So for now, we may see this also tracking down. This may be the ABC of the 4th wave, ABC of the 4th wave, which is bigger. We have to see that you can see after the first move, you know, it came down like a 3 waves here, but at the end of the day, we're having something that looks like 2nd wave with 2 here. This may also have given us a 5 waves to the upside, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the first move, then with 2 here, then within with 3, then A, B, C of 4. And let's see how this one goes down. It seems they're going to break low also. So where you should expect reaction, it's around this area here, between here and here. We should be getting reactions if we are to correct at all to go down again. We'll see. Yen, USD yen. USD yen is complex for now. So if you are not in a buy, then wait for a bigger correction. So this might just be the first move of the first impulse. It might just be the first move of the first impulse. Then once we get a correction, so once all those USD pairs are going for corrections, we should expect this also to go for correction. It might just be that we're trying to swing to the upside right now to finish up this as an ending structure, but wait for it. Do I want to sell the correction? No. I might be looking for the correction to be complete to go up to buy. CHF JPY Chfjpy also is messing up big time. So it's supposed to be a correction. Are we still in the correction? It seems we are no longer in correction. Let's see what happens here. This has gone up as a 3 waves now, right now, from here. 1, 2, 3. That's gonna be a 3 wave right now. So, but we are going to see what is going to become of this character. But once price breaks this structure here, then it's bullish again. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. So once price takes out this structure, almost taking it out, then it's bullish again. I think what we can look for right now is if price will correct to the downside, then we should look to buy, except if they will drop this suddenly. I'm a seller below this place now, or I'm a seller once price will break this low or this low. I'm a seller, but for now, I think we should be looking for buys. Gold, which is the last but not the least. Yes, gold is still trying to mess with our head. Like we said, these might just be an ABC, and these may have finished the 4th wave correction, but we are still within these endings, you know, the diagonal here. This may be the first wave here, wave 1, or a wave A if you are going to go down again. If this is going to be an ABC of W and an X and Y, which is not impossible, but these, we have to see this wave out first. So in this wave right now, this appears to be the first move, and the counter move is these 3 waves now, A, B, C. and it seems that this wave also is not done. We should be looking at around 4,417, 4,400 area, between 4,417, 4,400 area as a support for price to push up. So it's not done. It's not done. So this, it's a wave A, and a wave B, and a wave C. So in the wave C, we are saying that this looks like a 1, 2. Then here, the wave 4, are taking more correction. So that's what it has given us as an A, B, C, a running flat. That is what wave 4 had given us here right now. So it has given us a running flat, an A, B, a C, and not until we break 45.70 now, we are still bearish. So I believe that this will be grinding up slowly to the downside, except if they will take this out. For now, we are seeing a wave 1 and probably a wave 2 of this of the last 5 wave building up. So we're going to see. So this is still going to grind to the downside. We need to take out this structure here right now, and we need to break 4,457. So once we do that, then the price should be heading towards 4,400, 4,417, and before we see a push to the upside. With that, I've come to the end of this week's update. Do like, share, take your time. For now, I think all those pairs are still going to be selling. Euro USD to sell, Pound USD to sell, NZD USD to sell, USD Gbpusd to buy, and maybe shortly there's short buy, short sells of something maybe around 50, 60 pips or 80 pips. They might still do that before they now give us the correction to the upside as desired. And after that correction, then we'll be looking for a sharp or a fall, big fall. So do like, shares, and comment. Bye.